Well, I wonder what he's done wrong. What are you doing, mate?
Mum made me do weeding.
Mum's made you do the weeding. Do you want to come? Do you want to come give me a hand?
Yeah.
G'day, welcome back to part 5 of the debuild rebuild. Come join us, see what we get up to.
While I'm working on the engine, Dad's just trying to look busy.
Righto, mate. What stage have I got you up to now?
Putting the exhaust studs in. Then after I'm going to put the exhaust manifold on. And then putting the water pump on.
You're going to fit the water pump?
Yeah.
I'll jump onto the fuel system and give you a hand, alright?
Yeah.
Who's this bandit? You going to come give me a hand?
Yes.
Alright. Are these good to go, mate? Righto. Righto. Give us a hand, Corey. Gotta put a new gasket on this. Yeah, come get it. Take it over to your workbench. Pull this off. You getting the water pump on? Woo. You're on the floor there, like I said. Good work, mate. Woo! We're getting there. You going the right way? Yeah, Dad, come give you a hand. See if we can get this out together like a team, eh? Righto, there you go. Well done. Oh, this is sweet of you guys. Working together. Good team. Riley, any comments there, mate? Alright, Corey, ready, mate? You grab the old bolts, pull the rubbers out of them. Good boy. Good work, dude. What are you fitting?
Intake manifold.
What's after that?
The glow plugs and we're going to check them.
Right. What are you up to?
Trying out the bolt holes.
Now, Riley, what can I see down here? You've put an oil feed in. And what's that back there, Corey? Coolant feed?
Yeah.
You going to turbo this, Riley?
Yeah.
You know this is a $500 engine. We don't even know if it runs.
And?
We'll give it a go, eh?
Mad dog.
We're going to mad dog it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's get into it.
You going the right way there, Corey?
Yeah.
Good work.
If you hear the squeaky sound, that means it's going back.
If you hear the clicking sound, it means you're going backwards, is it? Righto. How you going, big fella?
Good.
Holding your tongue in the right position. Good work, man. So Dad forgot you can actually test the glow plugs in the engine, so don't have to remove them. Let's show them what we got for a good one there, Ollie. 8.8, right. She'll be right, eh?
Yeah.
Righto. And show them the one that we've got high resistance on, which is which cylinder? 3 or 4?
Yeah.
What do we got in that one? Yeah, we've got pretty high resistance on that one, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we'll bang in a couple of second handies that we've got, see how we go.
Oh, and also the last one.
Number 6 as well.
Yeah.
How hard are they to pull out, mate?
Well, you already cracked them, so not that hard.
Not that hard, alright.
Well, you already cracked them, so...
You pull the dodgy one out.
Yep.
And put the good one in that we've tested prior to this.
Looks like the end is burnt.
Yeah, it probably is.
Think I dropped something.
With a few things to go, rear main seal, clutch. We're just throwing a few brackets back on that we're missing. You gonna give us a hand, lift it off the stand? With the engine off the stand, just pull the brackets off. Why do we have it sitting on some blocks, Riley?
Because you don't want to work on an engine when it's not supported.
Good work, mate. Bit of a safety tip for everyone, eh?
Yeah.
Righto, with that rear main seal in, how much warranty are you going to give us there, mate?
Concrete warranty.
Concrete warranty.
Yeah.
I reckon you've done a pretty good job. That'll do, eh?
Yep.
What are we going to put on now?
Clutch.
Clutch. Roger. Right, I'd like to thank my mate Nim, too, Byron from Nim. He made me this bent valve specially for this job about 17 years ago. So you slide that into the bolt hole, run it around, locks into place. Now you can do up your flywheel bolts. Dirty thumbs up there, Nim, 17 years ago. Dirty thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Next episode.
Come on, Dad. Let's put this bad boy in.
Get this bad boy in, eh? You reckon it's going to run, Corey?
Yes.
You reckon? Alright. Again, if you feel like it, subscribe. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Take it easy.
Subscribe to our channel.